So it's Friday, and I went to the mailbox, as one does on a Friday, and I found something that I wasn't expecting at all. This very big purple bag. When you think of purple, who do you think of? Mama G gear. Now, Ginny, I don't know what it is you sent me. It's clearly Yarny related because it is soft and it's giant and it's way too expensive for you to ship stuff to me in Canada, so stop it. But whatever it is, thank you. We call each other cousins. We're not cousins. We just play cousins on YouTube. I'm wearing my World's Okayest Brother t-shirt because Hubs is an okay brother. He got this as a Christmas gift, and he's a really big guy. He's 6'4", and didn't fit him, so it becomes kind of one of my around the house shirts. So wasn't expecting to do a video, but also didn't want to wait to open this. She has a way of packing things. Like, she should work for the postal service because she can pack a bag. I don't want to rip it. Oh, here we go. Like nobody's business. Oh, she actually, did she put a note? There's a note. Oh, right. So she is, she's been a lover of mystery bags for a while. I'm going to put it down here. Holy moly. And she's been getting the knit mystery bags because, in our opinion, the knit mystery bags from Aberdeen's Wool are slightly better than the crochet ones. Again, this is only my opinion from what I've seen of openings online. And she was saving me up some patterns. I know between myself and Mel, she was going to divvy out the patterns. So she says there's some mohair in here, and she's got some patterns in here. Much love, your U.S. cousin Ginny. Way to go, writing a note. Yes, so Ginny was, sorry, I just want to open this a little better. Ginny was like one of my first YouTube friends when I started my channel less than a year ago. She's so supportive and inclusive to everyone in the community. This is like a bluey aqua. Okay, I don't know where she got this from. This definitely has the vibes of mohair because it is fine, so it could definitely be paired up with stuff for sure. And there's 4 of them. So that's a beautiful, kind of an aqua greeny color. Thank you. And then there looks like there's a whole bunch of gray. Where'd you get this from? This feels like wool. Oh my gosh. And it keeps going and going and going. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of this gray. It looks like it's probably a 4-weight. Can't really tell if it's wool. It feels like wool. Interesting, thank you. And I love gray. Ooh, my gosh. I got 2 of these Vento Barocco. This is definitely like a mohair. This is 50% alpaca, baby alpaca, 40% acrylic, 10% wool. It looks like it is probably a 2-weight. 219 yards, so it's a 3-weight. So that would look really nice with a bougie bear with a greeny blue. Gorgeous, thank you. Ooh. Ooh, this is the stuff I love. This is definitely mohair Ariel color. 65% mohair, 35% silk, zero lace. This is something I know she got in her mystery bags for sure. Thank you, cousin. And in fact, those two would look gorgeous together, which I think I'm going to try and do. Ooh, Queensland Collection Rainbow Beach, pure Australian superwash wool. Did you get that in your mystery bag, cousin? The color is burgundy, 328 yards. It's a 2-weight. That is nice. Pure Australian superwash wool. I love it. Thank you. Ooh, Barocco Mercata. Barocco Mercata. 100% Peruvian Highland wool. She knows I like my wool. 164 yards. This is a 5-weight bulky. So I could make a pair of mittens with this. That is gorgeous. Thank you, cousin. You didn't have to send me anything. And Ultra Wool Chunky. This is another great one I can use for mittens. 100% superwash wool. 5-weight bulky again. 145 yards. That's enough to make a pair of mittens. This would make a really cute kitten mitten. 100 grams. Thank you. And 101 patterns in here.
I won't bore you all with all of these patterns, but she even threw in a few crochet ones. Is that a hint, cousin?
If you don't know who Mama Jikier is, I'm probably sure half the people that follow me follow her. Please go over and check her out. I'm going to put her link below. This is the mystery episode, and this is the first part, so stay tuned for another day to see what else I get as a mystery. Thanks, Jenny.